Good medical morning. Today we're looking at your favorite topic, pimple popping. While we watch some examples of pimple popping, both good and bad, let's discuss a topic that we get asked all the time. Can I share a comedone extractor with my spouse? Here's a sample question from Sarah A. from California. She says, I ordered a professional pimple popping kit from Amazon. I love it, but so does my husband and my teenage daughter. Is it safe for me to use the same extractors that everyone else is using? Before I continue, thanks again for supporting our page. You do this to help improve medical education on the internet. Before we started with medical channels around 2014, there were no educational medical channels on YouTube. Now, there are amazing doctors like Dr. Mike, Dr. Sandra Lee, Dr. Gilmore, and the Toe Bro. So click like if you're a fan of all the incredible medical content online. Getting back to our original question, the answer is technically yes. These professional-grade steel comedone extractors are made to be sterilized. However, with all the bacteria and viruses out there, maybe not risk it. There are professional comedone extractor kits out there for less than $20. And they're available at the click of a button on Amazon, so why risk it? Pick up a kit for every pimple popper in your family. And I'll throw a link to my favorite kit in the description below. It's a 7-piece kit that includes loops, cone extractors, a plush carrying case, and even a lancet for those big pops. So go get yourself some incredible pimple popping tools and stop sharing with your friends and family. It's kinda gross. I'd kinda compare it to having your own set of nail clippers. Sometimes you just want to have your own equipment. Now check out a few more pops, and don't forget to check out the links in the description. Hey folks, get rid of those blemishes like a pro with this 7-piece pimple popping kit. It has high quality, full-size tools, a variety of specialized ends including a lancet, and a handy case for easy storage and travel. See the Amazon link below, it ships quickly from the USA.